Hi everyone. Today I'm going to explain you how much it's cost to use popular AI models like Google, Gemini, Grok, Claude, and OpenAI. So using simple example, taking 5,500 as a token. So what is token actually? So a token is basically a small piece of text. So if you see here, we have AI model cost explanation with different models. So here we have 7 tokens. If you see, AI is a 1 token, model is a 1 token, cost is 1 token. So this is a token. What is token we have? So AI models charge based on how many tokens you spend and how many tokens the model generates. So that's all about tokens. And now let's talk about how much cost it is for different model, how much is it costing. So if you see, I just have simple overview of how much 5,500 tokens uses cost for all the AI models. So we have different providers. So I just take for 4 providers only that is popular, that is Claude, OpenAI, Google, and Grok. So, and for model, I'm using Claude Sonnet 4 and GPT-4 Pro Mini and Gemini 1.5 Pro and Grok. So token use for all this model, actually I'm taking 5,500 as a token, and input cost is for the Cloud model is basically 0.0165 input cost, and output cost is 0.0825. As we took a total it, so its costing is 0.0990. So if we are divided with check with this two, actually, so 3 million input token and 15 million output tokens. So that's basically we have structure I look like. Note that actually pricing may vary, but this is give you a clear idea how you can use this in your code and prompting. So that's the summary overview I can just take, like you can take as a reference, and yeah, that's all. AI is actually, I just want to note it down. AI is actually very affordable, almost like you are paying for a cup of tea. So if you want more simple AI breakthrough like this, please hit follow, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.